Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mwaza Kimbola. So I created my YouTube channel to share my Forex journey and talk about trading and investing, stuff like that. So make sure that you stick around because in this video today we are going to talk about the different trading mistakes makers are making. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mwaza Kimbola. So I created this YouTube channel to share my Forex journey and talk about trading and stuff like that. So today we are going to talk about the different trading mistakes to avoid in the market. So make sure that you stick around and like my video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. So first trading mistake to avoid. Not every strategy is gonna work 100% of the time. Some people think that you're gonna come to the market, you're gonna win, and tomorrow you're gonna buy a Lambo, you're gonna buy a house, and stuff like that. Especially for new traders, and it doesn't work like that. It does not work like that at all. So what's the reality? You're gonna come into the market, you're gonna lose, you're gonna win, you're gonna lose, you're gonna win, you're gonna lose, you're gonna win. But in order to be profitable, you have to get small losses and wins more than you lose. The second trading mistake to avoid is not using a lot of indicators. The more indicators you're using, the more likely you're going to lose some trades, and it's obvious because you have to know how to read candlestick pattern, you have to know how to read price action, and you have to know market structure. So if you use too many indicators, you can't even see market structure, you can't even see the patterns of the market, and you can see nothing. So I can advise you to use 1 or 2 indicators to help you take a trade as a confirmation, but not too many indicators that are gonna hide the market, like the candlestick pattern or the chart, and you're not gonna see anything. It doesn't make sense. So many people trading the market, they have a strategy that's good, but they don't have an edge, and it's not enough. You can have a strategy, even if it's working like 70% of the time, it's not okay because you have to always improve as a trader. You have to always find something to improve your trading strategy. And if you have an edge, it can boost your trading strategy maybe from 70% to 80%. And by an edge, I'm talking about what? Let's say that you have your trading strategy and you trade a breakout and retest. Okay, so your trading strategy, first point, we can say that you have to trade in the trending market. Market can go up or can go down, and you don't have to trade in range. An edge may be an indicator, maybe moving average crossover, or maybe a candlestick pattern, maybe bullish engulfing or something like that. And if you see that at the retest and you take it buy, that's an edge. Because many people trade breakout and retest, but they don't have an edge. They have a strategy. The strategy is the breakout and retest, but the edge is the confirmation that's gonna help you to take a trade. So let's say we have a breakout and we have a retest, but we don't have a bullish engulfing. You don't take the trade because the bullish engulfing is your edge, because you notice that every time price breakout and come retest the previous level and we have a bullish engulfing, price is more likely to go up. And if you don't see the bullish engulfing, don't take the trade. So that's your edge in the market, and if you follow that, it can increase the probability of your strategy. Next, not having a trading plan. Many people trade but don't have a trading plan. They just trade. And if you don't have a trading plan, it's not good because it can lead to the fifth trading mistake that many traders do, what is over trading. And over trading, people trade most that they have to do because they don't have a trading plan. So they trade, they see any setup, they trade. They don't have a particular setup. And if you don't have a particular setup, you can be a disciplined trader. And it's very important to have a trading plan. So let's continue with overtrading. Many people overtrade, like I said, because they don't have a trading plan. But when you overtrade, you're more exposed to lose trades than winning trade, because the more you trade, the more you're gonna lose. That's why it's important to have a trading plan and follow that so you can become a disciplined trader and at least take a reasonable amount of trades. Finally, the last trading mistake to avoid is not using proper risk management. People don't use proper risk management. They gamble, they think that trading is gambling. No, it's not gambling. Trading is like a marathon, so you have to go slowly and step by step. Let's take an example. Some people have an account of $100 and they use a lot size of 1. If you use a lot size of 1 and you are in drawdown of 10 pips, it's $100 gone, and it can happen in less than 5 seconds. So in order to stay longer in this game and be consistent, you have to use a proper risk management. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you think that you get something from this video, make sure that you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below.